Transform your smile this winter with the ultimate whitening solution that brings back your confidence and radiance. Imagine a brighter, fresher feeling every time you brush, making each smile unforgettable and leaving a lasting impression. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to a natural glow that lights up your day. Every moment becomes more vibrant, every interaction more confident. Experience the joy of a truly luminous smile and let your teeth reflect the energy and positivity you carry inside. Number 1. Teeth Brightening Whitening Powder. Every morning can start with a feeling of confidence and freshness as you use a teeth brightening whitening powder. Each brush brings a sense of renewal, gently removing plaque, stains, and dental calculus to reveal a naturally brighter smile. The sensation of deep cleaning leaves your mouth feeling fresh and invigorated, giving you the courage to face every interaction with self-assurance. Oral hygiene becomes more than a routine, transforming into a moment of care for yourself. As the powder works, it nurtures your teeth while refreshing your breath, allowing every smile to shine and every conversation to feel more lively. The journey to a radiant smile becomes simple, satisfying, and emotionally uplifting, making each day feel lighter, brighter, and full of positive energy. Your confidence reflects in every expression. Number 2. 80 grams Teeth Restoration Mineral Powder Whitening Remove. Every day becomes brighter when you embrace the power of Teeth Restoration Mineral Powder. Each use helps gently remove stubborn purple stains and unwanted odors, leaving your mouth feeling refreshed and invigorated. The deep cleansing action nurtures your teeth, improving plaque management while strengthening enamel for a naturally confident smile. Every brush transforms oral care into a moment of self-love, giving you the courage to speak, laugh, and smile freely. The subtle whitening effect enhances natural brightness, making each expression more radiant and uplifting. This ritual creates a sense of well-being, turning ordinary mornings into empowering experiences. With consistent use, your teeth feel healthier, your breath fresher, and your confidence stronger. Every day reflects the care you invest in yourself, and every smile tells a story of renewed energy, positivity, and self-assurance. Number 3. Whitening Toothpaste. Strengthen teeth and gums. Tooth. Every morning can become a moment of care and confidence with whitening toothpaste. Strengthen teeth and gums. Tooth Repair Mineral Powder. Each use helps gently brighten teeth, removing purple discoloration while protecting enamel for a healthy, natural shine. The nourishing action supports stronger teeth and gums, giving a sense of freshness and comfort that lasts throughout the day. Oral care transforms into an empowering ritual, making every smile feel brighter and every conversation more confident. As the powder works deeply, it repairs and revitalizes teeth, leaving them feeling clean, smooth, and resilient. The subtle whitening effect enhances natural radiance, making expressions more captivating and uplifting. Every brush creates a feeling of well-being and self-care, turning daily routines into moments of positivity and confidence, where your smile reflects energy, health, and inner strength. Number 4. Winter Whitening Tooth Powder with 10%. Every morning brings a chance to feel renewed and confident with Winter Whitening Tooth Powder with 10% hydroxyapatite. Each brushing helps remineralize teeth, repairing enamel while leaving a cool mint freshness that awakens the senses. The powder transforms oral care into a moment of self-care, making every smile feel brighter and more vibrant. As teeth regain strength and natural shine, confidence grows with every interaction. Fresh breath creates a sense of comfort and assurance, allowing you to express yourself freely and joyfully. The gentle yet effective action nurtures teeth and gums, turning routine care into a rewarding experience. Each use leaves a lasting impression, making smiles radiant and inviting. Daily brushing becomes a source of empowerment, inspiring positivity, energy, and a renewed connection with your own well-being. Number 5. Teeth Restoration Powder. Teeth Restoration Mineral Powder. Every day can start with a renewed sense of confidence and self-care when you use Teeth Restoration Powder. Teeth Restoration Mineral Powder. Tooth Restoration Teeth Whitening Powder. Oral care new. Each brushing gently lifts away discoloration and impurities, revealing a brighter, healthier smile that feels naturally strong. The powder transforms ordinary oral hygiene into a moment of care for yourself, making every smile more radiant and every conversation more confident. Teeth feel nourished and revitalized, creating a sense of comfort and assurance that lasts throughout the day. Freshness in the mouth inspires positivity, and the subtle whitening effect enhances natural beauty, giving every expression a captivating glow. Daily use nurtures both teeth and gums, making oral care a satisfying ritual. Each smile reflects the care and energy invested in personal well-being, boosting confidence and joy.